people are scared to try scuba dive. Some people love these sports and always find their excuses to go somewhere only to dive. But for me, thinking about it makes me sick and all frightened because I don't know how to swim and I am afraid of sea snakes. But then I was so curious why people love it so much. Hi, my name is Iris Jane Andales of Iris Jane Andales Vlogs, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because for today's episode, I am going to take my risk and overcome my fears. So guys, in this video, you will see me underwater scuba diving for the first time with Pawikan Divers at Pawikan Dive Center. So guys, I am so excited for this because this is something, a gift for myself also, because after 7 months of vlogging, I reached 3.6k subscribers. So this is something that I am excited about and worth celebrating for. So right now, I am heading to Marigondon Beach, Lapu-Lapu City at Uncle Mikes Crib where Pawikan Dive Center is located. So see you in a bit, guys! So guys, I am so excited for this. I hope you are as well. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh my god! So before we proceed, Director Xander Magno and Master Diver Bench gives us essential tips on how to scuba dive safely. First, make sure you're fit to dive. In short, avoid diving if you're not feeling 100%. Second, you need to listen to your instructor or dive guide. You need to follow your instructor's brief on where you're going and what you need to watch out for. Don't leave any questions unanswered. Do not go underwater if you still have doubts. Remember that down there, you won't be able to communicate, and it is very important that you understand everything. Third, double check your scuba gear. Take your time and double check everything. And yes, we are 100% prepared, so here we go! Another important tips, equalize frequently as you descend. Means you need to equalize your ears. This is need to be done frequently and before feeling any pain to avoid injury in your inner ears. hold your breath. Breathe normally. It is very important to never hold your breath because holding your breath can cause an air embolism, where an air bubbles enters the bloodstreams, which can cause a serious and potential fatal injuries. And another tips, don't overexert yourself. Diving is often called an adrenaline sport, but you should actually be super relaxed when underwater. There is no gain to swimming fast over reefs. The slower you go, the more you will see. This is very important. Avoid moving at a pace which makes you out of breath. If you do feel tired, signal your buddy or coach and find a coral or free rock on which you can hang to have a rest. And lastly, life is beautiful, so enjoy it and have some fun. So guys, if you want an underwater thrills but you don't know how to swim, that's not a problem. Pawikan Dive Center is the answer. So what are you guys waiting for? Learn how to dive now. They also offer scuba diving certification courses, open water, advanced rescue, Divemaster, and island hopping at a very affordable rates. So guys, message them and follow their official Facebook page for more updates. So this is Iris in Dallas, and I'll see you soon. Bye!